What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Langkawi, Malaysia, the jewel of Kedah 4K drone aerial footage.
Footage. I was like, footage? I just read it. I didn't see footage in there. Footage.
Yeah. No, this was recommended to us. I'm super excited to check it out. This is another, I guess, I would assume it's more known because it looks beautiful just from the first image. But from
Of course, I don't know why they would show like a pile of trash in the first image.
Yeah.
So that makes sense.
But we were told that this is a lesser known area. So those are the places that we want to learn about. Those are the places that we want to see. And so I'm super
don't
excited.
get me wrong. We want to go everywhere, but at the same time, we're more for the get away from
the hidden.
We like finding the hidden gem.
Yeah. So if you're ready to hop in, let's check it out.
Let's do it.
Langkawi.
I know we're mispronouncing that. Langkawi.
Langkawi. That's how it's pronounced.
Okay.
I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I'm pronouncing it
I can't read
incorrectly.
that. I'm guessing it's the same thing.
It's gorgeous water.
So beautiful. Look at the cloud shadows. I love that.
It doesn't look like a busy spot.
No. And I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a lot of fishing going on.
Mm-hmm.
Or to be going on. Some of these boats just don't match a lot of the other boats.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah, this
What
definitely
is
looks like
that?
a fishing spot.
That's a cool transition.
Yeah.
It makes me so thirsty looking at this
I
water.
know.
Like if you looked at the water in our lakes, it makes you almost want to. What's the opposite of thirsty?
Throw up water.
Yeah, like it's gross. I mean, it's muddy, is what it is. It's dirty water.
That's exactly why I wanted to get up and get something to drink a minute ago, though.
Yeah.
Because like looking at all this makes me thirsty. I drank my whole drink and I'm thirsty.
Yeah. That's why I got the big drink.
Yeah. LT2 scored up high.
Yeah. Because nobody shops at our store. May as well sell somebody else's stuff. Just so y'all know, if y'all like this hat, you can get it at our store. It's located below the video, just so you know. And the shipping is cheap too, all around the world.
Cheap. And it doesn't take 3 months.
Only 1 month. I think shipping was like $4.
Yeah. That's gorgeous. That looks really unique.
It looks like a concert place, or somewhere they would,
or what would have been.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely comes off as more of a fishing
I'm guessing that's
area.
a hotel. Oh, too late. That building looks kind of like a hotel, so it looks like somebody likes to go there. Oh, it's a cruise destination.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'd be down to take a cruise through
Malaysia.
and Indonesia.
Malaysia.
In Malaysia.
The music got really intense. Some trippy music.
We'll be changing out the audio to this.
Yes.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
That looks dangerous, really. Look at how he's cutting through these boats.
Yeah.
Like, I think you'd probably get in trouble here.
Yeah, 100%.
They would make you like go really slow and then come around like right here, maybe, or around the outside, but not through. Like, see how this other one's going? Cut at the wrong time.
So amazing. I can't wait to see the sunset in Cody Campbell.
I agree. It is Jurassic Park.
I told you.
That's the main thing for Jurassic Park.
Yep. This is where it was filmed.
No, this is Hawaii, but still, it looks like it. This is like a affordable version of Hawaii.
Yeah.
Hawaii is so expensive.
Stupid expensive.
Well, it's because they have nothing there. They have to import literally everything.
And it's literally became just a tourist destination, pretty much.
Just became?
Like, no, it's became like only a
Yeah,
tourist.
that's it. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a military base.
Yeah.
And people live there.
Yeah.
There's natives.
But when you think Hawaii, you think
100%
tourist
tourist.
destination.
100%.
That water's so good.
And if anybody ever tells you that they used to live in Hawaii, you're like, BS. You couldn't afford it.
Like that lady that we met.
That's exactly what I was thinking about. I was like, oh yeah, you used to live in Hawaii. Okay. Like, to be fair, this just looks like heaven.
Yeah.
It'd be hard for me to believe somebody, they're like, yeah, I'm from there.
Yeah, like that's my house.
Why would you leave?
Right.
You don't live here now because you left there. Lies.
I just moved from this resort to live in an apartment complex in Rowlett, Texas.
Yeah.
Because it's so nice. That's
Welcome
that's
to
a
hell.
cool little tube thing.
Oh, that's what that was.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Those are fun. We do like the hot dog ones and the banana ones.
This is a very well put together video.
Yeah, Jamie Beagle.
Yeah, Jamie Beagle. We're definitely going to watch some more of your videos. And guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and hop on over to his channel and subscribe after you click the subscribe button on our channel because you liked our part of it as well.
And of course, if you want to help support the channel, you can hit the join button and join level 1 or level 2. Level 1 is just fine. But we appreciate y'all for watching. We love y'all, and we can't wait till we can come and visit these places.
100%.
And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
Out.